I can shuffle it. This is the second side of the idea generator. So there are many of the words which are written over here, and the students have to create a fusion of these words, right? Now, the third side, quantum computing with humanized artificial intelligence, you know, chip implants. So these are all basically the, I can take the draw tool from here. I can pick up this one and draw. So how artificial intelligence, wait, and agriculture can go together. How can artificial intelligence and the automotive can go together? Now, when we discussed this point at Tata Motors, when I was doing the workshop over there, we said that the accidents which happen because of the overtaking has to be completely avoided in the future, because the cars must know, must calculate the distance, and if it is not worth overtaking, the alarm should be sound. So these are all ideas. Now, how artificial intelligence can be used in the healthcare industry? Now, today we are using artificial intelligence in the field of education by providing these tools. How can it be used in the retail? So the students can actually, create the fusion of all these, take a screenshot and save it for their new projects. And the good part is that, this artificial intelligence, if I'm not very happy over here, I can simply shuffle it, right? I can shuffle it vertically, and I can, so artificial intelligence, what is more possible with the mobile devices? You can see the shuffle, sir. Can you see the shuffle?
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah. So this is
Is it a kind of, see, within your box, you are having 4 verticals, right?
Six.
Each and every side of the box having on one side, and one side is nothing but the complementary vertical of that particular one. Okay, say for ALX.
Six
so it has got, yeah. So so only 4 sides. Sorry, it's not exactly 4 sides. It will be 6 sides.
Yes.
I think it will be 6 sides. Okay.
Right.
So is this 6 sides will coincide together to make a complete new technology which we are looking for? These are kind of adjunct, or you can say mutually exclusive and exhaustive technologies, which can be means populated, or which can be generated for further use.
For example, humanoids and Alexa, right? I'm just giving you these 2 words. How do we use it? Now, this can be one of the brainstorming sessions, and I can tell you that wonderful ideas can come because of this.
Yeah, can you please flip humanoids vertically?
Vertically means I can go in any.
You just flip the humanoids column vertically.
I can.
Humanoid column means humanoids, airlines, productivity, zero accidents, and digitization.
Yeah.
Let's flip it vertically.
Okay. So now I have Alexa and the systems. Okay. I can have the Alexa and the future problems. Now in the hotel industry today, there is unnecessary concierge. That concierge is not needed. If I go to the hotel, the Alexa can tell me that whatever questions I have, Alexa should be able to answer to me. Actually, there are so many technologies, sir, which have been developed, but these technologies to me are only half-cooked notions. They are half-baked ideas. Okay, so the Alexa and the human machine combination, how it is going to happen. Now, Alexa and banking. Can you imagine, sir? Just think about these 2 words. Now, how many people do we have in the bank? And they're doing the repetitive jobs. And this is what, is the need of the hour, where the technology has to be used in a very new way. And
is the beauty of this. So I can undo this, I can undo this, I can come to the other things. Now, the airports and the drones, I have these two one, you know, so I can draw and let us say drones and airports. Now, what could be a new application from the logistics point of view for the airports and the drones? And what can be the future solutions? Or if you want to see the drones and the schools, what are the unexplored spaces or the smart spaces which can be created into the smart products, the intelligent products with some kind of a new software? How fast, how many seconds have we taken? In 5 seconds, we have clicked on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ideas in 5 seconds. And I can tell you, if this is not in front of you, you can tell your students to generate the ideas and he will not be able to do that, because I'm using it very extensively in the corporates. So there is the idea generator for design, there is an idea generator for process, there is an idea generator for IT technology, there is an idea generator for various. So there are total list of 12 idea generators. I think if you see the brochure, Jay has sent the brochure, isn't it, Jay? You have
Yeah, I've received that one. I've gone through it.
Yeah. So
Even I have also seen your videos also, whatever you have done in LPU.
Correct.
Okay, I've seen that one also.
Correct. So this is the beauty of this product, and I tell you, sir, not exaggerating. I've invited all over the world because of the fact that this tool has been produced by us in India.
Is it a remote setup you are talking about, or we need to set up for a lab?
Sorry?
We will go for a remote setup, or we will set up for a lab?
No, you will actually only have a computer lab, sir. You don't have to buy any new computers. You must be having an already existing computer lab.
Yeah.
That's all. So we don't want you to spend any more money. Basically, our software will go into your local area network. Okay.
Okay.
I mean, in your main server, and from the server, it will basically reach to all the remote locations, wherever that class can be on the 4th floor or the 2nd floor or the 1st floor or in a new building, or it can be in the house. For the house, it has to be done by your system people with the private networks.
Okay.
So that is a system issue. I mean, we don't interfere over there as to how you want to use it.
Okay.
Yeah, so we will be providing you all these tools. So I've given you an example of the idea generator, and which I'm sure would have given you a very good overview of what it is. So let me.
Is it an automated one? The idea generator will be an automated one, having the setting up the parameters, and it will generate automatically. Is it like that?
Yeah, it is. So from here, these ideas from here will go to the mind maps. The next step. I'm telling you the next step. First, we should know what is the technology. Now, I have clicked on the drone over here, but unless I know what is a drone and how it can be used, how I can know? So my first part is I know a technology. My second part is I know the idea generator, right? And what ideas I'm going to be connecting drone for the future solutions. And now I go to the mind maps. The mind maps, let me clear this first.
Yeah.
Let me clear this, and now so idea generator is gone, and let me also close this particular thing, and now I go to the mind map. Now the mind map, if you see over here, is basically there are 100 mind maps that we provide, 100. And that is for various applications and the innovations. Now, supposing I'm giving you an example of one mind map, which is called IoT. Now, for the IoT, if I have to create a smart city, which is the need of my country today, what are the new ideas that I need? I click here. And as I can click here, you will see the menu has opened. Right? Let me enlarge it. Can you see the menu?
Yes.
So how can I have the smart